Here we're still looking at the summary sheet, and we've just finished entering the field bolts. Masonry anchors we will look at shortly, but first we'll go back to the threaded bar. Threaded bar is a utility for holding down bolts. It's in progress, and we're going to look at these holding down bolts here, and the report. It's easy to quickly see the quantities inside here. There are 4 bolts per location and 4 locations, giving us 16 bolts. The bolt length is 1 metre and 20 long. And they have to be bent They come in 1 and 3 metre lengths, so we know we can get that out of a 1 metre length. We'll just have a look at the quotation here in the included section. And we need to fabricate and bend those bolts. 2 hours. Here we designate that this is actually a holding down bolt. Now the casting holding down bolts has come through to be included. It's also added a few more options for some conditions. The labour has also come forward, added to the workshop labour. Masonry anchors, the sheet works the same as for the field bolts. Product, quantities, discounts and quoted prices. Sitting there in the not included section. Masonry anchors have now come forward to be included. Take that a little further and now say that we will install those at a rate per hour. It's now mentioning that their installation is included. And another condition that may want to be used. Masonry anchors, the labour to install them has been brought forward, and taken into the site labour.